What's up guys, welcome back to another episode of JMX. Today we are doing a comparison video on a Dutch oven over the bonfire and a 12 volt travel buddy which we have installed in the car.
We've done a few roasts in the travel buddy and they come out so good because you're forced to just slow cook it.
Yeah.
But this is our first time using the Dutch oven, so we're super excited to see how it turns out. We're gonna chuck one chook in each. Jack is gonna blindfold me and we'll see if I can figure out which is which.
Can she do it? Let's get into it. So I've never done this before. I'm just going off some advice from some people on YouTube. So we've gone and purchased ourselves one of these bad boys. I've got the coals heating up and then I'm going to transfer the coals into the fire pit and keep this fire going for extra coals if I need them, and I'll transfer them over. Alright, so there's the Dutch oven and we jump inside. Here is the travel buddy. I've had it preheating. I think it's at 150 now. And she's almost ready to go. We're going to prepare all the veggies. And Megan, we're going to get...
Stain my fingers.
And Megan's going to get beetroot fingers. So what do we got, Megan?
So for the veggies we've got potato, carrot, pumpkin and beetroot. And the onion, I think we'll probably just like shove up the chooks. Same with the parsley and thyme, or we'll like maybe lay that on the bottom of the Dutch oven. We saw that in another video and that looked really cool.
Yeah, and what spices we got?
Well, we sort of just got what we had, which was like paprika and some herb and garlic.
Cool.
Italian herbs will probably just go on the veggies, and then we'll do like lots of oil and salt and pepper because everything tastes better with lots of oil and salt.
Alright, we're going to get into it.
There must be an easier way to do this, eh?
And if anyone's got a tip on how to get the skin off the onions, Megan would like to know in the comments. You seem to be doing alright. And so once Megan's done that, we'll jump over and we'll marinate the chickens, eh? Can't wait to see which one's going to taste better. A part of me says the oven.
It's got to be the oven.
The Dutch oven.
Yeah, I mean that one.
I think the Dutch oven's going to taste better, but you never know. Megan's going to be the judge of that one, so let's wait and see. Both chickens are successfully cooking away.
The travel buddy was a bit of a tight squeeze, but we
managed
got her
to get
in there. The Dutch oven has literally been over the coals for what, like 3 minutes, and it's already sizzling away. Oh, it sounds so good.
It's going to be good. We're going to get cleaning up and the chickens will be cooked in a jiffy. Nice smell coming from the pot, so we're going to go ahead and check the Dutch oven. I might just pull it off there. Yeah, it's not hot. Put it down here, eh?
It hasn't been long at all, and it smells like it's cooking so...
How long has it been?
Only about 40 minutes, I think.
Right, let's have a look.
I mean, it is only a small chicken, but...
Moment of truth.
It's blackened there.
Oh, it's looking good. So I think it is a bit hot, so I'll move the coals around so that it's not so hot on it. And I reckon we're on. We'll go have a look at the travel buddy now, eh? Alright, we'll check the travel buddy now. And that one's not coming along as quick as the bonfire one, or the Dutch oven one, but I was expecting that. The travel buddy normally takes twice as long as anything that you would use at home in the oven, so definitely expecting the chicken in the travel buddy to take longer, and definitely not as quick as the Dutch oven. So we'll give the Dutch oven, I reckon, another 20 minutes maybe, and the travel buddy, I'd say an hour at least. So let's wait a little bit longer. Alrighty guys, all done.
That took a lot longer than expected. The travel buddy one took ages, especially compared to the Dutch oven one. We weren't expecting that one to cook so quickly.
Nah, the Dutch oven one went so quick and smelled so good. The travel buddy smelled good as well.
Oh yeah, definitely. But I'm definitely hungry now.
Yes, the roast veggies turned out perfectly. So now we're going to do the taste test for Megan. So we got the travel buddy on this side and the Dutch oven one on that side. And Megan, chuck your blindfold on. Okay. Actually, yeah, okay.
Just don't tell me which one you're cutting first.
Yeah, so don't look. Alright, so there's that one. And here's this one. Alright.
Are you going to fork it for me?
Yeah. Alrighty guys, which one? I reckon this one here. There you go.
So am I trying to guess which is which, or just say which is better?
Just taste both first, and then I'll tell you which one it is.
Is the fork facing right now?
Yeah. Yeah. So that's your first one.
Mhm.
And this.
That's really good.
Is the second one. Go. It's facing you. Yep. Alrighty.
They're both really good.
Really?
I think number 2 tastes a bit better, but I can't tell which is which though, to be honest.
Number 2 tastes better?
I think so.
Hey guys, pull your blindfold up. The travel buddy won.
No way.
Yeah, I'm serious.
Give me another taste.
So Megan's picked the travel buddy, guys. I wasn't expecting that.
That's so unexpected.
So
maybe because it has to cook so low and slow, maybe.
Holy crap.
I actually think you give it a try.
That's a travel buddy. And that's the Dutch oven.
What do you
They
reckon?
definitely taste different. But I reckon...
You think that one's better? I think this one is just better, the fact that it cooked in like a third of the time.
Yeah.
But
The travel buddy tastes better, guys. So we're going to wrap it up there.
I'm going to devour this whole pot of veggies.
We're going to eat some chicken now. We've got a chicken each. How good's that?
Got lunches for the week now.
Once again, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.